Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have another LuvMe wig review. And first, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Now, you know they always do very well with the packaging. So your wig will come in this nice purple box with the silver LuvMe logo. And then of course you're going to get the wig, but we will get back to the wig specs in just a minute. But let me show you some of the other goodies that you will get with this wig. So of course you're going to get a carrying storage bag to store your unit in. You're going to get some labels. You're going to get a LuvMe hair clip. You're going to get a really cute makeup sponge with the LuvMe branding on it as well. Super cute. And then you're going to get a really nice satin bonnet. Absolutely love the branding on this bonnet. So clever. You're going to get a user guide. And of course, some wig caps. So let's go ahead and unbox the wig. So absolutely amazing. So it comes already pre-cut for you, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all the good stuff. And I do love the seat parting, and the lace is absolutely flawless. This is glueless HD lace. As you can see, it just blends in seamlessly with my skin. And you do get that 7x6 closure, so you can part anywhere in that closure. It's going to come with combs, of course, on the right and left sides of the wig. You're also going to get a comb in the back. It does come with an elastic band. And as you can see, this is a breathable cap, so you don't have to worry about your head getting sweaty and all that stuff that we don't like. But I am going to go ahead and try to flatten out the top of the wig just a little bit. So I'm going to take my hot comb and just go over the roots just to try to get that as flat as I possibly can. The name of this wig is called Party Max Glueless Wig Layered Cut Loose Body Wave 7x6 Closure HD Lace Wig. And I did get 24 inches. And here's my hair. I just have it in two plaits because I do not know how to braid my hair down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on a wig cap, of course, and just basically put my two plaits up underneath the wig just to try to get it as flat as possible. But I always do have that hump there because I do have a lot of hair. And then I did go ahead and put on my wig grip just so I could get more security with the wig staying on my hair in case the wind blows, things like that. I just like to have that extra security. And just basically getting everything to my liking. Now I am going to keep that beautiful seat parting that they have already pre-done for you. So here is the wig on my head. Absolutely nothing done to it, and this looks flawless. Here is a closer look at that hairline. It absolutely blends in seamlessly. This wig is ready to go, ready to wear right out of the pack. There's not much you have to do. Completely glueless, as you can see. I would never put any glue around my edges or hairline. And I'm just gonna basically brush the wig out with my brush, fluff it out, try to curl, the hair, just to get it to my liking. But as you can see, this wig is flawless, out of the pack. I love that LuvMe hair has so many options that are already pre-done for you, ready to go. Now, these layers are absolutely amazing. Like, this wig just gives me the versatility of having layers without having to cut my hair into layers. And this wig is 24 inches. This is the length when it's stretched out. As you can see, very long, very beautiful. Now you can get this wig in anything from 12 inches to 28 inches, which they always have a variety of options for you at LuvMe Hair. Absolutely love this wig. It's just so beautiful. And I love the color. It's like a natural black, which is similar to my color, my natural color here. So I am going to go in with my wax stick just to tame some of the flyaways at the top of the wig. And I did decide to go over it just one more time with that hot comb, just to try to get it a little bit flatter for my liking. And also this wig is 150% density, very, very nice density, definitely not thin, and it's definitely not too thick and unnatural looking. It's just right. And I am going to go in with my pressed powder in the shade 330 Toffee, Maybelline Fit Me powder, and just kind of go in the parting space just to make it blend a little bit better with my skin tone. But look at that C parting, that is amazing. And like I said before, you can part this wig anywhere in between that 7x6 closure, so you have options. You could do a middle part, a left part, a right side part, and of course that C part, which I absolutely love. Now I'm just going back in, kind of fluffing out the bang area just to make it fall how I like it. And this wig is coming together so amazing, and it's so fast. Like literally you can have this thing installed on your head within 5 minutes, ready to go out the door. Look at this, it looks like I just left a salon. You can't tell me this doesn't look like my hair and like I haven't just left a salon. I mean, it's just perfect. Just giving you all angles of the wig so you can see. Very, very full, very, very nice. Bouncy curls, nice layers, a nice loose wave. Here is the wig. Absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. I will be sure to leave a coupon code down below in the description box for you all to check out their wigs, and this specific unit will also be linked in the description box as well. Here it is, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love this wig. Beginner friendly, easy, breezy. And here you go, another look at that parting. Oh, it is to die for. Absolutely love it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.